Private Label Membership, a guide to picking the right membership. Exclusive report. Private Label Memberships Guide. A popular way to get a jumpstart on your product creation and promotions efforts is to join a good private label membership program, aka PLR, Private Label Rights Site. Because a good PLR program can help you save a bundle of money, time, elbow grease, and hair pulling so that you do not have to create your own new products and marketing tools for them each month. However, since a general search for this type of private label membership program can turn up hundreds of listings on any search engine, here is a general overview of what to look for in a good PLR program. In a nutshell, a private label membership site will feature one or more new products for you to sell each month and often come with helpful marketing tools you can use to help promote and sell your products. Then monthly private label products are usually targeted to help with niche problems or concerns most often searched for in top search engines like Yahoo and Google. Begin by making sure the program you are considering offers the type of rights you want. Private label rights allow you to edit, revise, or alter however you'd like the regular monthly products that are featured. This means you can name yourself as the author. However, so that your products do differ some from those used by fellow program members, everyone must revise content somewhat, so check the rules of the program to see what you need to do. For members only. Products like ebooks and reports composed with good spelling and grammar and targeted for popular niche audiences are a must. So are any types of helpful marketing and other promotional materials that go along with them, like autoresponder series and a website with graphics and sales copy that you can revise. Instructions. Especially for new people just entering the private label rights arena or who are new at selling online, PLR sites that come with helpful instructions are among the top tier for you to consider. Because with instructions, written, audio with video tutorials, or whatever they have, you can learn how to use the member products and the best way to market them to maximize return on your investment. And that's a win-win for your private label membership program and your business. Look for the best price and value. More goodies equals better deal. For example, extra articles that are packaged in with the deal each month can come in handy in any number of ways. You can insert them throughout the original ebook to make the content more unique for you to sell. You can add them to your autoresponder series, or you could package them as a report to be sold with your ebook or as a front-end item, or to give away free to website visitors who subscribe to your autoresponder series through your leads capture form. Programs with audio and video files plus keyword lists to help focus your content and promotions are also more goodies that sweeten the PLR pot.